Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are 3 questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is, at a party, Mrs. Sana gave each people 5 nuggets and had 30 nuggets left. If she gave each people 6 nuggets, she would have 4 nuggets left. How many nuggets did Mrs. Sana prepare for the party? Read the question carefully and understand it. What they given, what we have to find it. We have to find how many nuggets Mrs. Sana prepared for the party. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's say Mrs. Sana prepared X nuggets because we don't know the number, so we assumed as X. If she gave each person 5 nuggets and had 30 nuggets left, X minus 5p equals to 30, where p is a number of people. If she gave each person 6 nuggets and 4 nuggets left, x minus 6p equals to 4. Now we have two equations. X minus 5p equals to 30, x minus 6p equals to 4. Subtract the second equation from first. X minus 5p minus of x minus 6p equals to 30 minus 4. X minus 5p minus x plus 6p equals to 30 minus 4 is 26. X will get cancelled. 6p minus 5p is p equals to 26. P equals to 26. Now substitute p into the one of the equation. X minus 5 multiplied by 26 equals to 30. X minus 130 equals to 30. X equals to 30 plus 130 equals to 160. Mrs. Sana prepared 160 nuggets for the party. Want to see the solution from start to finish? Watch the full video again to understand how I solve this math problem. The second question is, Chaya, Dola, Gracie and Ella gave stickers to one another. Chaya gave Dola 5 stickers and Ella 10 stickers. Ella gave 9 stickers to Chaya. Dola gave 7 stickers to Gracie. Gracie gave Chaya 3 stickers and 6 stickers to Dola. They given 2 questions to find it out. How many stickers did Dola receive and who received the most number of stickers? Read the question carefully and understand it. What they given, what we have to find it. Let's see how to solve this problem. First we have to find how many Dola received. 5 stickers from Chaya, 6 stickers from Gracie. Total stickers Dola received equals to 5 plus 6 is 11 stickers. Next B question. Who received the most number of stickers? Let's count the stickers received by each. Chaya, 9 from Ella plus 3 from Gracie. 9 plus 3 equals to 12 stickers. Dola equals to 11 stickers. Ella equals to 0. No stickers mentioned as received. Gracie equals to 7 from Dola. Chaya received the most number of stickers. The third question is, study the following pattern carefully. What is the number in the 70th position? They given some numbers, 261, 258, 255, 252 and so on. We have to find it. What is the number in the 70th position? First position is 261. Second position is 258. Now let's see how to solve this problem. The difference between all numbers is 3. 261 minus 258 equals to 3. Now find the 70th position. So we have to multiply difference and the before number. 69 multiplied by 3 equals to 207. First position number is 261. 261 minus 207 is 54. 54 number is in the 70th position. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos.